Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a fun one. I have another cousin of mine. You guys will recognize her. We did a video about 3 months ago before quarantine. She had pink, purple, yellow, blue, green, all kinds of different colors throughout her hair, and her hair was very damaged, and she is back for round 2. Her goal is a white blonde. If you guys want to see the 3rd session, the 4th session, all the sessions until we hit her goal, let me know down below in the comment section. I will be back behind the chair in 2 weeks, and I'm going to whip out video after video after video. Alright guys, if you want to see this tutorial, then keep watching. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. For Holly's 2nd session today, I'm doing a heavy baby light using my Ride or Die Goldwell Oxycur with 20 volume and Fanola's Fiber Fix Part 1. Our goal today is to break through all of her natural virgin hair in the back and retouch her regrowth up top. We only did a half baby light last time, but the toner faded and she still has some remnants of green left spontaneously throughout. So as I mentioned before, her hair is very damaged and we want to take her lighter while keeping it as healthy as possible. She hasn't touched heat in 3 months and she's using Fanola and Olaplex products. Her end goal is white blonde, but she knows it's going to take multiple sessions and time and money, and today I'm just focusing on evening out her canvas. Back to start. I don't know where to go. I'm told I'll reap all of what I sow. These mistakes have no one else to blame. Said I could feel it when you left me here, left me here. When overlapping lightener, I do have a rule in my chair that a dusting, trim, or cut of some sort is required. When people keep applying bleach on top of bleached hair without trims, that is when you start to find yourself in some trouble. When your hair gets splits, if you don't remove them right away, they will keep traveling higher and higher, and that's where breakage comes from. Holly's hair is compromised at the top, so when I retouch the root, I will kick the prior lightened hair out of the foil and fold it up. You'll see in a moment a trick I love doing when I need to lighten damaged hair but don't want to put it in my original foil and let it over process. Our emotions are one and the same, so come on over, we can persevere, persevere. So come on over, we can persevere. Alright, here's my little trick. I like to take lightener the last 10 minutes of processing and throw it on the ends that were fragile and wouldn't make it in a foil. Here I'm using Oxycur with 10 volume and using foils for a little bit more oomph. You can do this without foils or even use a bleach wash. It will kick the cuticle open and allow the hair to take toner a little bit better. she processed for a total of about 50 minutes with the Tease dropouts the last 10 minutes. Last time we used Lumishine 4N 3N8 for her root smudge, but now as we get her lighter, we do want to do more of a shadow and get her lighter each time so she can still have a beautiful grow out but keep her brightness as well. She's a natural level 3, but today I decided to use Redken Shades EQ 5N 4NA. I've been falling in love with Shades EQ for root toning as well lately. So I toned her all over with Shades EQ 7T, 8V, 7NB, and 9G. 2 cool tones and 2 warm. Last time her damaged hair was so porous, I used copper and it still sucked up and made her icy and silver. I used this formula today because I wanted a warmer tone to match her undertone, which is warm, but enough coolness to cancel out the yellow. Some of the darker days could only go so far. Alright guys, there you have it. Look at these amazing results. This tone is perfect for her and very, very evened out. Bye-bye to the 18 different colors. Her first session is in my card and down below. Check it out and let me know videos you want to see in the future. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to join the family. We're growing rapidly. I love all of my supporters. Until next time, so long for now, guys. So come on over, we can persevere.